fuck it, I'm cutting the grill. Never mind, I bitched out. Because the ducting's gonna show, and I don't want to fuck up the ducting right now, so I'm just gonna lay under here. Yeah. Look at the trees, don't trust a fart. Oh, Jesus. Now I'm putting on this subframe bolt because it was missing, but they didn't have the E-Torx like that one was. So I'm just using the socket one, and the nice people at Reddit helped me figure out which one it is. And then they told me that it was realoem.com that gave them that answer. So now I have that tool at my disposal, but for now, thank you to the people of Reddit.
I'll look into it. I never said thank you. And you'll never have to.
And I'm gonna put this on now. So, yeah, man. This isn't really sitting in the watching my car in the garage anymore. It's fixing it. Even though this isn't why it's on jack stands. It runs and everything, it's fine, it's great, but my buddy's helping me put fucking wheels on. There's a wheel missing over there. Just wait until that one's ready to go, and then we'll torque this up, and then the other one on the other side was loose. I took off the wheel and it was just like hanging down. And then this one was missing, so that's the lore on why I ordered these bolts, and the people of Reddit helped me find it. So.
What the hell did you just say?
You're a cunt.
Fuck off, old man.
Fucking pussy.
You looking to get the shit kicked out of you?
Hey, POV or me a few days ago finding this. Oh, that's loose. That's weird. Probably should fix that. Just in time before my rusty bolt got more oxidized. You know I'm such a fool for you. You got me wrapped around your finger after all. Do you have to? Do you have to? Do you have to let it linger? God.